Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
You'll begin by confirming key prerequisites so the link works. Sign into your Google account on the device, then open Efootball and confirm it's updated. Once done, grant the app storage and account permissions. These let the game read your login token and save settings. Now tap the profile or settings icon inside Efootball to start the account link flow. Make sure you're on a stable Wi-Fi or cellular connection, because interruptions can break the token exchange. You'll now perform the authorization steps that actually connect accounts. Tap Sign In with Google and watch for the Google account chooser. Pick the profile you want associated with Efootball. When the consent screen appears, read why the game needs permissions and accept them so Efootball can access basic profile info. After you confirm, the game exchanges tokens and completes the backend link. Make sure to wait for the success confirmation screen before navigating away, because premature closes can leave linking incomplete. Finish by verifying the link inside Efootball's profile or account menu. You should see your Google name or avatar. If the link doesn't appear, restart the app and try signing in again. This refreshes cached tokens. Once you're sure it's linked, test online features like cloud saves or multiplayer. If things go wrong, a primary troubleshooting tip: force clear the app cache and data or reinstall the app, then re-authenticate. This removes stale tokens that commonly block successful linking.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.